And in our top business story, Etihad Airways is reportedly cutting jobs as the aviation sector responds to a global economic slowdown. According to local reports, the Abu Dhabi-based airline did not say how many jobs would be lost, but that the restructuring would result in a measured reduction of headcount in some parts of the business. The airline said in a statement that Etihad Airways is operating in an increasingly competitive landscape against a backdrop of weakened global economic conditions. It added that to ensure it remains agile and competitive in this environment, the airline is constantly exploring and pursuing new ways of driving productivity and improving efficiency in order to continue to deliver its mandate and vision. Airlines across the Gulf have commented in recent months on a drop in passenger demand due to the knock-on impact of low oil prices and a flat global economy. Etihad said it would conduct an organizational review in a fair, structured and transparent way. Emirates has announced plans to expand its services to Morocco by adding the country to its A380 network in 2017. Emirates has announced that it will launch the A380 on its Casablanca flight on the 27th of March 2017. The airline's flagship aircraft will replace the Boeing 777-300ER aircraft currently used on the Dubai to Casablanca route, offering increased seat capacity across all three cabin classes and an enhanced premium product experience. The switch to the A380 offers a total of 1,834 additional seats per week, meeting a growing demand from travellers on the route, with 14 private suites in first class, 76 lie-flat seats in business class and 401 seats in spacious economy class cabin. In a press statement, the airline said that Casablanca has become one of Emirates' most popular destinations and has seen steady growth since being launched in March 2002. In 2015 alone, Emirates carried nearly 260,000 passengers and more than 10,000 tons of cargo, stimulating business and leisure travel between Casablanca and Dubai. Abu Dhabi's new $2.2 billion stake in BP will be held by Mubadala Development Company, the government's strategic investment company. The Emirates' 2% stake in BP, which makes it one of the oil major's largest shareholders, is the result of a deal struck last week in exchange for BP's 10% stake in Abu Dhabi company for onshore oil operations ADCO, the onshore concession that accounts for a little more than half of Abu Dhabi's 3.1 million barrels per day of output. The BP stake will be managed in the Mubadala unit that oversees the group's capital investments. Mubadala is in the process of merging with the International Petroleum Investment Company to form a $125 billion company. It includes a large energy subgroup that has controlling stakes in oil companies including Cepsa and OMV, as well as direct operation of oil fields in Southeast Asia. According to local reports, it is not yet clear whether Abu Dhabi will seek BP board representation. ADCO's parent ADNOC negotiated the deal that included the BP stake as well as terms for its participation in ADCO and operation of BAB, one of the 6 main oil fields in the concession. With the MENA region's ride-hailing mobile app Careem managing to secure funding of $350 million, new financial details about the investment, which is led by Japan's Rauken and a Saudi telecom company STC, have been revealed. In a press statement, Kareem announced the first close of its $500 million funding round, which, according to the company, will create 1 million jobs in the region by 2018, expand services geographically, and fund research and development. The investors have joined the company's list of partners, which also include Abraj Group, Al Tayer Group, Beko Capital, Al Suwaidi Investments, and Endure Capital, to name a few. According to Kareem, the funds will scale up Kareem's transport services in existing and new markets, accelerate innovation across its platform of high-frequency transactions. A local company established in 2012, Careem now operates in 47 cities across 11 countries and hosts over 6 million users and 150,000 captains or drivers in the Middle East, North Africa and South Asia region.